Variable pipe positioning to accommodate restrained casing fit. Unit is leak tested to ensure product quality at installation. High-density fin count for maximum heat dissipation. Precisely tooled tanks for strength and durability. Optimum tube pitch spacing to maximize heat transfer. Innovative engineering, manufacturing technology and quality control ensure that Spectra premium HVAC heater cores meet or exceed the performance of the original equipment they replace. Top reviews from the United States. Worked exactly how it was supposed to. It worked as it was supposed to and got me 96 Chevy back to heating my interior and getting my cooling system working properly. Hopefully it lasts longer than the one I replaced.